This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and moving straight to Accessibility. This is where voice features live. Tap Installed Apps or Hearing Enhancements to reveal accessibility services. You need to check if TalkBack or Voice Assistant is active because those announce calls. Once found, tap the service to view its controls. This is how you stop system-wide spoken feedback. Make sure you do this now, so the next steps focus only on call-specific voice announcements, rather than broader. Next, open the phone app, tap the three dots, then Settings, and find Announce Calls. This is the specific toggle for spoken incoming call announcements. Set it to Never or Headset only if you want announcements only through headphones. Also check Bixby voice settings and any enabled accessibility service like TalkBack. These can override phone settings. Once done, test with a call to confirm it's off. If it still speaks, proceed to the accessibility and app-level checks in the next slide. To finish, restart your phone so changes propagate across system services. This often resolves lingering announcements. If calls still announce, force stop or disable Bixby or TalkBack from Settings apps, then test again. Make sure phone app cache is cleared via Settings app's phone storage clear cache because stale data can preserve old behavior. One key troubleshooting tip: if voice still appears, check a connected Bluetooth device and its companion app. Some headsets manage call announcements independently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.